Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. Thank you so much for joining me today. As always, we're wishing you positivity. Hope all is well with those who are watching this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is going to talk about Windows 11. This video is for those who may not know how to increase their font size if they have problems with their eyes. You know, this video might be for, your grandpas, your grandmas, your aunts, your aunties, your uncles, your unks, any of those senior statesmen that may need to have the font size in Windows 11 increased, or the mouse pointer. The mouse pointer that goes across the screen with your mouse, that needs to be increased to kind of help someone with bad eyes to be able to see where their mouse is at so they can pinpoint where it's at as they're maneuvering across the screen in Windows 11. And not saying this video is just for, all the, let's say, elderly persuasion. This video is mainly for anyone that has, bad eyes, who wish that Windows would come with an increased font size so that you can see the words that are on the screen. You can see the different websites, the text that shows the website that you're going to, also the mouse pointer, so that's large enough for you to be able to see where it's at, where it's going across the screen, and be able to pinpoint where you're pointing with the mouse cursor. So in Windows 11, even though it doesn't come with a certain font size, it does have the features to allow for you to increase the font. When you're looking at words, in Windows, you're looking at a website, you open up a PDF, you open up a Word document. If you want the font size of the words and the text that you're looking at to be larger, Windows 11, just like all the Windows or previous Windows version, Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1, 7, Vista, blah, 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 they all have the ability for you to increase your font size. So we're going to show you how to increase your font size. If you are the type of user that wants large font size, like, the big K or the big E or the big T for TekSupportSpy. That was a bad joke. It's kind of corny, but I like my bad jokes and I like my corniness, so stick with me here. If you like large size fonts, we're going to show you how to do that in Windows 11. If you are someone that the mouse cursor a little bit too small for you as you're trying to maneuver around with your mouse cursor, and you want to increase the size of the mouse pointer or the mouse cursor, we're going to show you how to increase that size so that you now can then pinpoint where your mouse cursor is at and be able to know what you're clicking on with the mouse cursor, and that you know where your mouse cursor is at. I thought that was funny. I thought that was better than the last bad joke I gave. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I have no knock jokes. I need to write down some knock jokes, so next time I do a video, I have some good knock jokes for you guys. But waka waka waka. Anyway, let's dive into the video, shall we? All right, guys, as usual, I'm gonna put myself to the side here, and we're gonna talk about the changing of the font size in Windows 11 and changing of the pointer or the mouse pointer in Windows 11. So let's take a look here. So we got some notes here, and if we are looking at, font size, so basically we all know what the font is. Font is basically the style and the size of the text, words that we see on our screen, what size they are. Right, so we're able to have the ability to increase or decrease that font size in Windows 11, which we're going to show you here in a second. But understand what the font is. The font is basically the style and size, mainly the size, because we're looking at the font size. You can have different font styles like Arial, Times New Roman, but we're only focusing on just the font size. So, for to give you an example, this is a Arial font size 12. It's a 12-point Arial font size, and this is how it looks. You need to see it better. You need to increase the font size so that your eyes can see it better. Then obviously a font size 26 is going to be larger. So we're going to show you the navigation here. This is how it looks. You probably saw this in the beginning of my intro. We're going to show you how to get to accessibility, text size to be able to increase your font size for your text. And we're going to give you the navigation. You're going to right click on the start menu. You're going to select, left click is select in Windows, settings, and then you're going to look at the settings left menu area to the left, and then you're going to left click or select accessibility, and then you're going to select text size, which is left click and select to do text size, and then you're basically just going to move the text bar right to left to adjust your font size in Windows 11. As you see this image here, let me increase this here. Let me see if you can see it, right? You're basically going to navigate to this text size here, and you're going to move this bar right to left, right? Simple enough. Some of you may already know how to do this. Some of you may not know how to do this. So this video is for you users who do not know how to change your font size or your mouse pointer in Windows 11. So then, after we get done showing you how to do the font size, we're going to get into the mouse pointer, how to increase the mouse pointer to get bigger and bigger and bigger and larger and larger, enormous, globally. I couldn't think of another word after enormous, so that's why I said globally. So we're also going to navigate to accessibility and go into the mouse pointer and be able to increase the size here, right? We're also going to have a size bar right to left to increase the font size for our mouse pointer. Kind of same navigation. You're going to right click on the start menu, which is going to be the 4 squared window, the window pane for Microsoft. You're going to right click on it. You're going to go to settings. You're going to look at the left navigation menu area of settings. You're going to select left click on accessibility. And then you're going to look under related settings. You're going to see mouse pointer, and you're going to left click on mouse pointer. And then of course you're going to move the mouse pointer size right to left, left, right, right, left. Hiya. I thought it was funny. To increase the mouse pointer size in Windows 11 for your mouse pointer. Simple instructions, simple steps. You know, a lot of you may have or already know how to do this. But again, this video is for you users who do not know how to do this. And I hope this video helps you out. Let's go ahead and do a demo and show you how to increase your font size and your mouse pointer size in Windows 11. All right, let's take a look at this. So we're on Windows 11, and some of you will have the Windows 11 taskbar in the center. There are ways to move that to the left so that it looks like Windows 10 or some of the previous Windows operating system, or you can also move to the right. There are still ways to move your taskbar. You can even have your taskbar at the top, but we're not going to dive into that. I'm sorry. I'll make sure I put together a video showing you how to adjust your taskbar settings, but this video is about increasing your font size and your mouse size pointer. So let's dive into this, right? So follow my lead and stick with me. Don't get lost. So the start menu is always the 4 squared window for Microsoft, the window pane. You want to go ahead and right click. It's going to also be either right click on your mouse, or if you're using a touchpad or a laptop touchpad, it's going to be the lower right corner of your touchpad to open up these options. And then you're going to left click, which is going to be on a touchpad on a laptop, the lower left corner of the touchpad. You press that to left click on the settings. Your settings will open up. You want to look to the left. You'll see a left menu navigation area here, or the left menu area for settings. You want to click on or left click on accessibility. And then you'll see stuff will open up here to the right from the left navigation, and you want to left click on text size, and then here is where you can adjust your font size or your text size for Windows. You can go right to left, left to right, 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 left, 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 right, left. Hey, left, right. Okay, let me quit. I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and increase this. I'm going to increase this to 150%, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. So when you increase it, make sure you hit apply to the right, and then let's take a look at a website. Let's see how the web looks. You can already see a little bit of increased font size here. Let's go to I don't know, Microsoft. Let's go to Microsoft.com. And as you see, the font is a little better. So if your eyes are, not real good, you can see the font size is a little higher, and hopefully your eyes can see it better. But let's go ahead and go back and change it. Let's go ahead and change it back down to 100%. We're going to hit apply. Please wait 4 hours later. And then let's go back to Microsoft. And you see, because I've changed the font size and I've decreased it, it goes back to the smaller font size. So understand, with the settings and our accessibility for the text size, you got to go right to left, left to right, right, left, left, A, B, start. You got to go left to right or right to left to kind of increase it. And you got to keep going back and forth to this and hitting apply until you get the font size the way you like it, the way your eyes love it, the way your eyes will turn and learn to love Windows 11 font size. And hopefully you will like the size that you've chosen. So I hope this helps. Let's take a look at how to increase the mouse pointer. All right, so let's take a look at the mouse and how to increase the mouse pointer size. If the mouse pointer is, it's not big enough for you so that your eyes can see it within Windows. As you see, my mouse cursor is small, my eyes are okay, but I still need to go to the eye doctor. I probably will end up needing to get some glasses. My father wears glasses. So eventually I'll probably need some glasses. But so far, I'm all right right now. But if you do need to have that mouse pointer increased so that you can kind of keep track of where it's at, let's do the same navigation that we did for the font size. And let's go down to the Start menu. 4 squared window pane for Microsoft. We're going to left click. And then we're going to left click on Settings. And then the left menu area for settings, we're going to left click on accessibility. We're going to skip the text size and all this other stuff here. I'll do it in the video some other day on the accessibility settings. But we're going to scroll down to mouse. We're going to left click on mouse. Scroll down under related settings. We're going to click on mouse pointer. And then voila, presto. You have the same bar to increase your mouse pointer size. Look at that. It's gigantic. Oh. Right? So you can increase it the way you feel that is best suitable for you, right? So you can better see the mouse pointer. So let's take a look how it works. Let's click this here. You can open up Edge. You can also right click, right? You can also left click on the Start menu, right? So the mouse still works. It's just bigger, right? So that's easy. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back down because it's a little bit too large for me. I might stick with like 3. I like 3. But that is easy. That's how you increase your mouse pointer size in Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope you learned something. If you learned something, please, 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 please. Oh, wrong sound effect. Anyway, comment below. Let us know if this helped you out below. Again, tell everyone about us. Tell your friends, your neighbor, your dogs, your cats, your pet alligator. Tell everyone about TekSupportSpy. And again, we are here to help you to become more tech savvy. And I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Tell people to subscribe to our channel at TekSupportSpy, TEK Support Spy. Go to our website, TekSupportSpy.com. Take a look at the services that we offer. And again, we appreciate you watching this video. Thank you for watching Tech Support Spy. If you are non-tech SAVVY, you're not watching or using Tech Support Spy.